because you think so. Now see someone that is telling you the truth.
Yes, sir.
So so my sister had the ring light. So like from there I just started on the next day I posted, and I just found out that I like had this love for like making videos. It just made me happy and made me like feel like I was accomplishing something, even though people weren't seeing it at the beginning. It just made me feel like I was achieving something.
I think my main takeaway is now that I must do assignments. Let me take my holiday assignments serious. Maybe that's my way.
I think you must come with you guys assignments. Engineering boys want to show you guys.
Just stop. Okay, so now you're also a computer science student.
Yeah.
And content creation, like those are worlds apart. So like how do you, is content creation the side also, or is computer science the side also? Which?
Yeah.
Say it, don't worry, your lecturer won't say it. I hope so.
To me, school is the backup.
Backup.
It's the backup. But in this Nigeria,